Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia, and we're going to do the front grille chrome delete installation for this vehicle. As you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the front panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it changes the look on the vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep the panel, we need to make sure we have water, baby shampoo mixed together inside a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and start removing all the contaminants that the panel may have. And make sure once you are finished prepping your panel that everything's completely clean and dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to stick to the panel, because if there's any water residue left over, then the film won't tack down even if you apply heat. So make sure everything is clean and dry before the installation. So once you finish prepping the panel, now we can start with the installation. So with this one, all you need to do is make sure you align all this section of the film to the alignment of the panel on the inside. So make sure you give yourself enough material to cover on top as well. So place this here for now and start from the bottom section and just use the alignment of the grill to align the film. So make sure to align it as you go. So align it just like this. If you need to lift it to readjust it, you can, but just do it slowly and carefully. And all we need to do now is grab our squeegee and tack down this whole area. And in order to help the film tack down around the curve for this whole section, we're going to apply heat all over the film. And once we apply heat, it will release the tension that the film has right now because of the curve. And then once we apply heat, we'll be able to place the film around the curve. So start from the bottom section, since it has the more deeper curve. And as you see, once you apply heat, it's going to be easier to work with, and all you need to do is wrap it underneath, and that's pretty much it. So start from the bottom and work your way to the top. So secure this whole panel first. If you need to lift to readjust it, you can, but just take your time. Make sure this whole area is flat, and then apply heat slowly, little by little, and then just help it curve down. You could also use your squeegee if you don't want to use your fingers. So instead of using your fingers like that, you could use your squeegee. Just help the film tack down, and it should wrap behind. So once you finish tacking down everything, you would come back, trim off any extra material if you have any. So around here, there's a small gap where you could insert the blade, but just be careful. Create your outline first and then trim off the extra material. And then once you trim off the extra material, the same steps that were done here, rinse and repeat to this panel, and then post heat once you're done. So once you finish installing both pieces on the front panel, grab your heat gun and start post heating all over the panel, just to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. That way the film does not lift over time. And once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the front grille chrome delete installation for the 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.